Dear students, this is the explanation of your chapter 2 economics, the last part which we have to do. The heading is your unemployment. But before this, what we have done previous, I will just repeat it. We did the about the importance of human resource, that people are termed as human resource because this is the only factor which uses all others factor of production. The another one is the resource of for production. We can divide it into two parts: physical resources and human resources knowledge. Physical resources, that is the money spent upon building, land, machineries, equipments, etc. And the human resource knowledge means spending the money on the education and taking care of the health of the people so that they remain physically fit. And education, by getting education they became the valuable asset for the country. Then I explained you about the economic activities. On economic activities only, there are three sectors. There are three sectors in the Indian economy, in all economies. First one is your primary sector, second one is secondary sector, third one is tertiary sector. Primary sector, which we also called agricultural sector, these are the farming sector also, we can say. So the definition for primary sector can be the activities which are directly linked with the nature. They are known as primary sector. Then is your secondary sector. The best example is your manufacturing sector. This is the another name for the secondary sector, manufacturing sector. So the activities which are indulged in the production of goods, जो गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करने में यूज़ की जाती हैं, उनको हम सेकेंडरी सेक्टर में काउंट करते हैं. एंड द टर्सरी सेक्टर, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड योर सर्विस सेक्टर. सो in this sector, in the tertiary sector, we don't produce goods but we generate services. Now based on the motives only, the economic activities can be divided into two parts, that is market activities and non-market activities. Market activities means the activities through which we earn money, and the non-market activities means which by which we are not getting any money. Example we can take about of a teacher also. A teacher, if he is teaching in a school or in tuitions, he is getting money, so that will be termed as economic activity or the market activity. But if the same teacher is teaching to his own children, it will be termed as non-market activity because the teacher is not getting any money for that. We can take one more example of a farmer also. A farmer, if is cropping, is doing his cropping in the field just for the family consumption, it will be your non-market activity. And if the extra production is sold in the market, is sold by the farmer in the market, surplus production, then it will be termed as market activity. Now is your unemployment. Unemployment, in Hindi we call it berozgari. If the definition comes, then unemployment means if a person is, when a person is ready to work but is unable to find any work, that is termed, that situation is known as unemployment. So our unemployment can be explained in two different terms, that is your urban unemployment and rural unemployment. So in urban unemployment, urban को हम हिंदी में शहर बोलते हैं, शहरी बेरोजगारी, और रूरल मीन्स ग्रामीण बेरोजगारी. शहरी बेरोजगारी को, अर्बन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को वी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, ओपन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एजुकेशन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. ओपन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मीन्स when a person is ready to do any of the work but he is unable to get employment, उसको काम नहीं मिल रहा है, तो that will be termed as open unemployment. Now the education unemployment means when a person is highly skilled, highly educated, but he is not getting job according to his education and his skillness. He is working but not a dignified work, so that situation will be known as educational unemployment. Then in your rural unemployment, we have the disguised unemployment category and the seasonal unemployment. Disguised unemployment we also called is it prachanna berozgari. So this is the situation when more people are employed than required number of workers. जब किसी काम में अगर ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व हों, उन जितने ज़्यादा ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा लोग हैं वो सब के सब डिसगाइज्ड प्रछन्न बेरोज़गार या बेरोज़गारी के लोग कहे जाएंगे. एग्जाम्पल हम लेते हैं इसमें फार्मर्स का. लाइक इफ अ piece of land is done by farming is done by a family members, and more family members are there, and even if 2 or 3 members are not working on that field, they are working outside, still the production on the field remains the same, so they will be termed as disguised unemployed. Then is your seasonal unemployment. So in this is also found, we can find it in rural unemployment. अगेन वील टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. सीजनल को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं मौसमी बेरोज़गारी. एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में ही इसको ये भी मिलता है हमें रूरल एरिया में. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी पीपल गेट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, people get employment according to seasons, and when there is off season there will be no work. Simple example again, farming is there at the sowing season, and at the harvesting season only more employment opportunities are there in agriculture sector, but in between the rest of the time period they are not getting any kind of employment. So the chapter is over now.